Good day. I'm Loyd SAGURIT from BSBA HRM 24D and I'm here to introduce Lesson 4, which is Analyzing Strategic Management Cases. And I'll partially discuss how to conduct a case analysis. First, we will define strategic management case first. It is a detailed description of a challenging situation faced by an organization. It usually includes a chronology of events and extensive support materials, such as financial statements, product lists, and transcripts of interviews with employees. Although names or locations are sometimes changed to provide anonymity, cases usually report the facts of a situation as authentically as possible. One of the main reasons to analyze strategic management cases is to develop an ability to evaluate business situations critically. When analyzing strategic management cases, it is important that you go beyond the textbook, prescriptions, and quick answers. It requires you to look deeply into the information that is provided and root out the essential issues and causes of a company's problems. There are three capabilities that can be learned by conducting case analysis that are essential to strategic managers. These are the ability to differentiate, speculate, and integrate. Differentiate. When analyzing cases, it is important to isolate critical facts, evaluate whether assumptions are useful or faulty, and distinguish between good and bad information. Differentiating between the factors that are influencing the situation presented by a case is necessary for making a good analysis. Speculate. Being able to imagine different scenarios or contemplate the outcome of a decision can aid the analysis. Managers also have to deal with uncertainty since most decisions are made without complete knowledge of the circumstances. This is also true in case analysis. Case materials often seem to be missing data or the information provided is contradictory. The ability to speculate about details that are unknown or the consequences of an action can be helpful. Last, integrate. Changes made in one part of the organization affect other parts. Thus, a holistic perspective that integrates the impact of various decisions and environmental influences on all parts of the organization is needed. Before beginning, there are two things to keep in mind that will clarify your understanding of the process and make the results of the process more meaningful. First, good problem solving often requires that decision makers be immersed in the facts, options, and implications surrounding the problem. In case analysis, this means reading and thoroughly comprehending the case materials before trying to make an analysis. The second point is related to the first. To get the most out of a case analysis, you must place yourself inside the case. Think like an actual participant in the case situation. Now, we will discuss how to conduct a case analysis. Before beginning the analysis, it may be helpful to envision yourself assuming as an individual that deals within or outside the company, either strategic decision maker, board of directors, or as an outside consultant. As you study and analyze the case materials, you can make a diagnosis and recommend solutions in a way that is consistent with your position. Also, try different perspectives. You may find that your view of the situation changes depending on the role you play. In your career, you may work in an organization where outside accountants, bankers, lawyers, or other professionals are advising you about how to resolve business situations or improve your practices. Their perspective will be different from yours, but it is useful to understand things from their point of view. Case analysis can help to develop an ability to appreciate such multiple perspectives. The remaining steps will be discussed by the next reporter. That's all. Thank you.